Hello and welcome to today's Abhigyan's Point, and I want to make it very, very clear that today I'll talk about the behavior of the political class in India. What is very evident now, and I said this earlier as well, that politics will happen. Don't confuse yourself at all that politics won't happen. So as each day progresses, we see now, it's evident that politics is happening on different issues, and absolutely clear it is that this politics and the political issues have nothing whatsoever to do with the shortage of vaccine, the slowness of vaccination program, the fact that there is no clarity on procurement of vaccine, the fact that there is no clarity on the pricing of vaccine. None of these most important issues or the core issues are there. What are the issues right now? The issues right now are toolkit, completely diversionary in a lot of ways. And now, of course, the latest addition to that issue is whose photograph will appear and how on the vaccination certificate. I just said this on a program that, why is the political class so worried about it? How will you use that photograph when the vaccination itself is not happening? So these are really issues that are being discussed and debated to divert it from the core issue. My point here is very clear, and I've been saying this earlier, and I say this repeatedly, that whenever I talk about it, I don't talk about it with any element of happiness, because it's certainly something which is very sad. But the fact remains that this will not going to end, because this is creating a kind of debate. Why? Let me ask you a question. Why does the political class want, or whoever from the politics, be it BJP, Congress, want their photograph to be put on the vaccination certificate? Because they realize that the time has come where they individually or independently need to take credit for vaccination. Whereas the reality is that it is the government of the day's job, be it in state or the center, to vaccinate people. But the politicians want photograph to be put on the vaccination certificate so that they ensure that they rightly get the credit which they think politically will be very useful for them. And that's the reality. That's the debate about why there should be a photograph or not. I just made a suggestion, and that's just my point that I'm making. Instead of a politician's photograph, you can even use the photograph of the national flag on the certificate. After all, it is the people of India who are being vaccinated, and that is what is needed. So you can also use picture of the national flag instead of any politician. So these are issues of diversion, and they are hugely contributing to any serious debate or discussion being taken away from where will the vaccines come from, how will the vaccines come. It's also very evident, and I don't want to get into international numbers, but because there's some sort of an atmosphere being made about, let's not look at the international picture, let's only look at the India picture. But the fact is that we are very, very slow. Even if we compare ourselves to countries like US, where there was a very severe problem at one stage, the vaccination program is extremely slow now. The pace it had picked up at some stage in the earlier part of April is extremely slow now, and we have no idea. We also now have information that states, when they independently approach different companies like the Pfizer or the Moderna, they've refused to supply a vaccine. So how will you actually get the vaccine? Now, amidst all this hugely serious issues, what is being discussed, what is being debated from the political side is toolkit. What is now being discussed and debated, whose picture will appear where. I don't have a problem with whose picture appears where, but is that the priority? I said it earlier also, that isn't the political class getting completely misplaced with its priorities? And that's now becoming more and more evident. I must also say this, and say this very clearly and bluntly, that this will continue. There will be some new issue added to it. There will be one more factor added to it. And this kind of discussion will continue while India and rest of the country, which is us, we will keep struggling to find out how and where and when will we get the vaccine, and how the entire vaccination program for the entire country will be completed. Don't ever forget, it will take time. A, B, it's about 2 doses. It's not just about one shot of vaccination. It's about 2 doses. So it's a long process that is still needs to be covered. And amidst this, the issues of diversion are toolkit, photograph, and believe me, whether we want it or not, or whether the political class says, oh, we don't want to discuss this, our priorities are completely different, India has to be vaccinated. They will say all this, but they will continue to raise these kind of issues. So the politics and, of course, the bitterness of politics that we ever also regularly see in terms of statement coming from different politicians, this will continue. So keep the pressure on as far as vaccination is concerned, because there will be issues that will keep coming to create diversion, like the photograph, like the toolkit, and like so many other issues which I sadly say can come in the near future.